Imagine standing before a concrete wall taller than a 60-story skyscraper, holding back billions of tons of water in a reservoir. Imagine standing before a concrete wall taller than a 60-story skyscraper, holding back billions of tons of water in a reservoir. Every single second, that immense potential energy is converted into clean electricity, powering entire cities and driving modern industrial progress forward today. This is not just a standard engineering project, but a colossal architectural feat that has permanently changed a nation's economic landscape forever. From diverting one of the world's strongest rivers to pouring millions of cubic meters of concrete with incredible precision and engineering skill. For centuries, the river has been both a blessing and a curse, sustaining life while posing threats during extreme seasonal flood events. Simultaneously, rapid industrial growth has created a massive electricity demand, forcing reliance on polluting coal plants and expensive imported fuel sources daily. Engineers finally envisioned a bold solution, deciding not to fight the river, but instead to harness its immense power for good. This proposal was extraordinary, aiming to create clean electricity, control seasonal flooding, improve waterway transport. Such a project would require decades of careful planning, billions of dollars in investment, and techniques never tested at this scale. Finding the perfect location was one of the most critical decisions, as geologists spent years studying mountain formations and rock stability. The ideal site required an extremely solid bedrock base, capable of supporting billions of tons of concrete and immense water pressure. Engineers analyzed rainfall data, flood history, and sediment conditions using advanced computer simulations to ensure the site's long-term structural safety. Only after countless surveys was the final location chosen, a narrow mountain valley where the river could be controlled most effectively. Before construction could begin, the river itself had to be diverted, requiring temporary bariums and huge tunnels to bypass the site. Excavators, bulldozers, and controlled explosions removed millions of cubic meters of rock, completely transforming the original landscape for the coming construction phase. Once the diversion system was fully operational, the original riverbed gradually dried out, revealing the foundation for the future dam structure. This was one of the most dangerous stages of the project, as any sudden flood could destroy years of hard work. The exposed bedrock underwent a rigorous preparation process, where every single crack was carefully mapped and weak stone layers were removed.
Thousands of deep holes were drilled and filled with high-strength grout to reinforce the foundation and prevent future water seepage.
A massive drainage system was installed deep below the dam to reduce underground water pressure and ensure total structural stability throughout.
Only after many years of preparation was the foundation considered solid enough to support the immense structure that would rise above. Building a superdam is very different from standard construction, as concrete cannot simply be poured into one single massive block.
The immense heat generated during cement hydration creates internal cracks, which could potentially weaken the integrity of the entire dam structure. Instead, engineers divided the work into thousands of precisely designed blocks, ensuring each layer was poured under strict quality control measures. Cooling pipes were embedded to circulate cold water throughout the newly poured concrete, gradually removing excess heat to prevent internal damage. Thousands of sensors monitored temperature, humidity, and structural movement day and night, ensuring the dam reached its full height without issues.
This process continued for many years until the dam gradually reached its maximum design height, standing as a monument to engineering.
The dam must do more than just store water. It must also survive the most extreme floods that nature can ever throw.
Massive spillways were built along the top and sides of the structure, capable of discharging millions of liters of water every second.
Computerized control systems monitor reservoir levels, rainfall forecasts, and river conditions, allowing operators to adjust the gates with extreme precision daily. When large storms arrive, operators carefully adjust the valves to balance reservoir storage while protecting the communities located in the downstream.
These spillway gates act as vital safety valves for the dam, ensuring that even during the heaviest rain, the structure remains safe. Deep inside the dam lies its true power source, where massive steel pipes lead water toward the giant Francis turbines below ground. Each turbine weighs hundreds of tons, spinning as the fast-flowing water hits the blades, converting mechanical energy into electrical power. Giant generators convert that mechanical energy into electrical power, while modern digital control systems synchronize every machine to the national grid.
Within seconds, electricity travels through hundreds of kilometers through high-voltage lines to reach.
This process is incredibly efficient, turning the natural movement of water into a reliable, renewable energy source every hour, every day. One of the greatest achievements of this dam is not just power generation, but its role as a massive flood buffer. During heavy rains, excess water is temporarily stored in the vast reservoir instead of rushing down to devastate the communities below.
When the danger has passed, operators slowly release the water in a controlled manner, preventing the catastrophic floods of the past.
Communities that once faced devastating floods every few years are now significantly better protected, allowing them to thrive and grow safely.
Agriculture has become much more stable, and cities have expanded with greater confidence because the river is now predictable and safe. The river is now easier to predict than ever before, fostering a sense of security for everyone living along its banks.
Building such a large-scale project is not without controversy, as entire towns had to be relocated for the reservoir area.
Roads, bridges, and public infrastructure had to be rebuilt to ensure that the displaced populations were fully supported in their transition.
Environmental scientists studied fish migration, water quality, and sediment accumulation to ensure that the ecological impact was minimized as much possible.
Engineers implemented mitigation measures, including fish ladders and sediment management strategies, to maintain the health of the local river ecosystems daily.
Even today, balancing energy production and ecological conservation remains an ongoing challenge that requires constant monitoring and innovations. These super dams represent both significant technical achievements and complex environmental responsibilities. When the final generator went online, the impact was immediately clear, providing a massive new source of clean, renewable energy today. The national reliance on fossil fuels decreased significantly, while industrial production accelerated to meet the growing demands of a modern economy.
Stable energy supported economic growth, technological innovation, and improved quality of life for millions of people across the entire country daily.
The dam also helped enhance flood resilience, improved inland waterway transport, and upgraded long-term water resource management for the entire region. Few construction projects in history have impacted so many aspects of national development through a single piece of vital infrastructure like this. Large hydroelectric dams are among the greatest engineering achievements of humanity, combining geology, hydrology, and structural engineering into one integrated system. Each concrete block, spillway gate, and turbine represents decades of planning and millions of hours of human labor put into action. They do not just generate electricity, but they reshape rivers, protect communities, and prove what is possible through ambitious engineering designs. Thank you for watching Future Brain Tech. Please subscribe for more engineering stories that reveal how we build our world together today.
Innovation never stops in the world of engineering, as new designs constantly push the boundaries of what we thought was possible before.
Strong materials form the backbone of every great structure, ensuring safety and durability against the relentless forces of nature and time daily. Dedicated teams of workers and experts collaborate across many different fields to ensure that every project is completed with absolute safety standards. From high above, we can see the massive scale of these projects and how they help manage water resources for entire nations. Economic data confirms that consistent energy access is the primary driver of prosperity, helping businesses expand and creating new jobs for people. Lighting up our cities and homes is the ultimate goal, providing comfort and opportunities to millions of citizens every single night worldwide. The science of fluid dynamics allows us to capture every drop of energy, transforming raw motion into the power that drives progress.
Rigorous testing of every material used ensures that the construction will withstand the test of time, weather, and extreme pressure for decades.
Precision coordination is essential when operating giant cranes to lift heavy components, ensuring that everything fits perfectly within the complex design plans. Skilled craftsmen use their expertise to weld thousands of steel components, building a robust frame that supports the immense weight of concrete. Work continues around the clock to meet strict deadlines, as the nation eagerly waits for the energy that this dam will provide.
The newly formed reservoir not only provides energy, but also creates a beautiful landscape that supports tourism and local recreation for many.
Maintaining high water quality is a top priority, requiring daily testing to ensure that the environment remains healthy for all local wildlife.
Regular maintenance is crucial for keeping these giant machines running efficiently, preventing unexpected downtime and ensuring a steady flow of electrical power. The national grid is a complex network, efficiently balancing supply and demand to ensure that everyone has reliable access to clean energy.
Stable energy allows our schools to stay open and bright, providing the next generation with the tools they need to succeed tomorrow.
Reliable power is vital for our hospitals, where life-saving equipment must operate perfectly to help patients recover and live healthier lives. The shift toward electric transportation is accelerating, fueled by the clean energy provided by these massive dams, reducing our carbon footprint daily. Modern technology allows us to inspect every inch of the dam structure, identifying potential issues before they become serious problems for safety.
The project has integrated well with the local community, creating new public spaces and opportunities for people to enjoy the natural beauty.
Understanding the life cycle of a dam helps us appreciate the massive effort required to bring such a complex vision into reality today.
Looking toward the horizon, we can see a future where our energy needs are met sustainably, leaving a better world for everyone.
Every spillway release is a reminder of the power we have harnessed, turning natural energy into a source of hope and progress. Global collaboration is key to such massive projects, bringing together the best minds and technologies to solve the world's most difficult problems. Success is the result of teamwork and shared vision, where individuals work together to achieve goals that benefit the entire nation's future. Our country is growing stronger every day, empowered by the clean and reliable energy that this dam provides to all its citizens. A new day begins, and with it, the promise of a brighter future where clean energy powers all our dreams and ambitions. The smooth rotation of the turbine is a testament to the quality of our work, ensuring that energy is always there when needed.
From the simple comforts of home to the complex needs of industry, our energy powers the lives of millions in every single way.
This dam stands as a pillar of our national strength, a symbol of what we can achieve when we work together with purpose.
We are already planning the next great project, applying the lessons we learned to build even more efficient and sustainable systems today.
Innovation is a never-ending journey as we continue to design and build the infrastructure that will support the next century of growth. Nature teaches us so much about balance, and we strive to work in harmony with the environment in every project we build.
Every data point we collect helps us improve our operations, ensuring that we provide the best possible service to our growing national economy.
Looking back at what we have achieved, we are proud of the impact this project has had on the lives of many citizens. We hope this exploration has inspired you to see the world differently, recognizing the incredible engineering that makes our modern lives possible today.
Join us again for more stories and keep looking toward the future as we continue to explore the limits of human engineering together.
Thank you for watching Future Brain Tech, and we appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more amazing engineering discoveries with you soon.